Settle down, Jimmy.
What do you want? He's hungry.
Does this sweater make me look fat?
All right. Now it's your big chance.
Smile, everybody.
Come on, folks. This way. You don't want to miss this. Come on. Come on. Follow along.
Hey, Grandma, check out all the neat stuff in those windows.
Charlene, the only thing I want to check out is the Energy Pavilion at Epcot Center. There's the cute Tyrannosaurus that hangs out there.
This is fantastic. Wait till our friends back home hear about this. They're gonna be green with envy.
Earl, all our friends are green.
Oh.
Sweetheart, say hello to all the nice humans. Hello? Are you my lunch? Are you my lunch? You could be my lunch. I want my lunch.
Okay, everybody, give him a wave as he comes by.
Humans built all this. Pretty cool, Mama.
Oh my goodness, how they keep it so clean. It seems so civilized.
I'm a baby. Gotta love me. Gotta love me.
Oh dear, isn't that your cousin Al standing in the lake?
Where?
Over by the stunt show. It looks like they'd hollowed him out and turned him into an ice cream stand.
About time he got a job.
What are you just standing there for? Move it. Follow along. Come on, get me.
Hey, does anybody have any shades? It's kind of bright up here.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I am one happy lizard.
What a nice day for rain.
So which way to Miami?
Which way am I at? What is she talking about?
Hey, you down there. Where's the nearest mall? We're having fun now.
Here we go.
Hi, everybody.
We're here. We're here. Hello.
Hey, everybody, how you doing today?
This is great. This is great.
Cut! Beautiful. Beautifully done.
All right, that's enough now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Sinclair family from the hit TV show Dinosaurs. All right. Hey, everyone take your places for the production number, please. Sinclair family, do you remember what we rehearsed? Hey, we're dinosaurs. We're the highest form of intelligence. I think we can handle that.
What does rehearse mean? Roll the film. Roll the film.
Can we get this over with already?
Okay. Listen, but who's going to pull the lever for the big special effect? Yes?
Well, I don't know. Maybe we should just take a vote.
Ooh, me. Let me. I've got star quality.
Give me a break. Come on, let me do it. It'll be so cool.
I'm the cutest. Let me. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Somebody pull the stupid lever. Let's get this thing over with.
I should
Come on,
do
Somebody.
Enough! Enough! Everybody just settle down. As head of the Sinclair household, I think it is only fitting that I do the honors for the big finish. After all, I am the most important member of this family.
Not the mama. Not the mama. Not the
All right,
mama.
Earl, just remember your cue.
Can we get this over with already? I'm starting to decompose down here.
All right, everybody, places, please. We're only going to get one chance to shoot this, so let's get it right.
That's right. And ladies, remember this is the Disney-MGM studios, so let's keep it classy.
Yes, Mr. Director.
Quiet on the set.
Ladies and gentlemen, filming right now in front of the Chinese Theater is our surprise family for the day. the Sinclair family from La Brea, California, in a special Disney-MGM Studios production number.
Okay, here we go. Roll camera.
Rolling camera.
All right, cue the band. And action.
From the crowd and said our family was the one.
Everyone looked at me, and it was clear to see why we were made to be the winning family. They wanted dinosaurs. They picked the dinosaurs. Get on the floor, everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor, everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor.
Don't just stand there, sing it loud.
Everybody dance. Come on and dinosaur. You got to dinosaur. Everybody easy. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door. Get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. You got the dinosaur.
Beautiful, that's a wrap.
Not so fast, Buster. I was just getting warmed up. One more time.
Wait a minute, that's not what we rehearsed.
This is great! This is great! I'm a dancing wizard!
Sit down with your big tap.
Come on, everybody. Do the dinosaur.
I love it when you dance.
Everybody, shake your tails!
Look at me! Look at me! I'm dancing and I can't even walk yet.
Come on, everybody. If you're not shaking it, you're not making it. Come on, everybody. Get down and boogie.
Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Open the door.
everybody.